Hi there. My name is Dr. Diallo, an academic coach and a test prep expert with Study.com. Are you currently preparing to take the FTCE Computer Science K-12 with testing code 005 assessment? This assessment covers the subtopic of the knowledge of computer science pedagogy. If so, you are in luck because I am here to walk you through multiple sample test practice problems as well as other test taking strategies. Let's get started by taking a look at problem number 1. When designing a high school computer science curriculum that aligns with state and national standards, which of the following practices should be prioritized? A. Teaching only the latest programming languages. B. Incorporating computational thinking widely. C. Restricting to basic computer literacy. Or D. Focusing solely on advanced concepts. Let's go back to the question and identify the important words of what it's asking us. We are being asked to design a high school computer science curriculum, and we must make sure that it basically aligns to the state and the national standards. And then we must decide what should be prioritized. So what is mandatory that must be taught as part of this course? Well, state and national standards for computer science education often emphasize the development of computational thinking and problem-solving skills. A well-designed curriculum should integrate these skills across various content areas within computer science, such as programming, data analysis, and algorithm reasoning to ensure a comprehensive educational experience that meets the specified standards. By only teaching the latest programming languages, restricting teaching to basic computer literacy, and focusing solely on advanced concepts, the teacher would be ignoring the state and national standards priority, which should lead the teacher when deciding the curriculum to teach students. Therefore, answer choice B, incorporating computational thinking widely, is the best answer choice. Which experience is most beneficial for high school students aiming for a software development career? A. Tech history club participation. B. Advanced physical education for teamwork. C. Computer science course with programming projects. Or D. Internet safety and ethics seminars. So within the question, we notice we are looking at the most beneficial for a high school student who is working toward the goal of a career within software development. Well, practical experience in programming is crucial for students preparing for a career in software development. A course that provides comprehensive computer science education, coupled with the opportunity to work on real-world projects, will equip those students with the necessary technical skills and experiences to pursue further education or enter the job market in the field of software development. The other answer choices, A, B, and D, are not focused on software development and therefore are not the correct answer. Answer choice C, computer science course with programming projects, is the correct answer choice. In a computer science classroom, which instructional technology would best facilitate group programming projects and real-time collaboration among students? A, an online code editor with live pair programming features. B, a slide presentation software for individual project submission. C, a graphing calculator for individual computation tasks. Or D, an email client for asynchronous communication. Within the question, we notate that we are in a computer science classroom and we're looking at instructional technology and we want to facilitate group programming projects and real-time collaboration. So one of the most important words in this question is the idea of group. An online code editor that offers live collaboration allows multiple students to work on the same code simultaneously from different devices. This feature is ideal for facilitating group programming projects and fostering a collaborative learning environment where students can instantly share and discuss their work. Answer choice B, C, and D are incorrect because they focus more on independent type activities instead of group tasks as mentioned in the question. So answer choice A, an online code editor with live pair programming features, is the correct answer. When teaching the concept of recursion in a computer science class, which instructional strategy would most effectively help students understand and apply the concept? A, providing a lecture followed by students independently writing recursive functions. B, assigning textbook reading on a different programming concept to broaden knowledge. C, demonstrating recursion solely through the use of flowcharts without practical examples. Or D, organizing a field trip to a technology company without a focus on programming. So within our question, we notice we are dealing with the concept of recursion. We're still in that computer class, and we're looking for an instructional strategy that would help students understand and apply the concept of recursion. Well, this strategy combines direct instruction with practical application. A lecture can introduce the concept and explain the theory behind recursion, while the subsequent independent practice allows students to apply what they have learned by writing their own recursive functions. This hands-on experience is crucial for understanding a concept that can be abstract and complex. The other answer choices, B, C, and D, are not best practices for understanding and applying concepts. Therefore, answer choice A, providing a lecture followed by students independently writing recursive functions, is the best answer choice for this question. I hope that you found that video to be both informative and helpful. For more practice, check out our FTCE Computer Science K-12 with 005 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head on over to study.com and check out our FTCE Computer Science K-12 test prep course. Those who use study.com's resources usually boast a 92% passing rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice problems, and short targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest testing updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to get all of the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and your success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching and happy studying.